Good morning in Southern California, AM 1220 KHTS. This is your host Fred Arnold on the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. I'm very happy to be joined by Paula Davidson. Paula Davidson is with Farmers Insurance Group. I got a chance to sit down with you sometime back and find out more about your business. I really wanted you on the show so that we can talk and I can share a lot of the unique products and services that you offer.
Great.
Welcome to the show.
Great. Thank you very much.
So let's talk a little bit about some of the insurance policies or products that you offer. And also you specialize in certain ones that you really know quite a bit about.
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm learning every day. But yeah, we sell home insurance. We have auto insurance. We have any insurance for recreational vehicles. If you're a motorcycle driver, we provide that. We have commercial insurance for your commercial real estate, office buildings, shopping centers, that type of thing. We're really competitive there. We also have, let's see, for other, I already said recreational vehicles, but if you have a travel trailer, if you have a lot of people in Santa Clarita are into off-roading, motocross, that type of thing, RVs.
Right.
Yep, anything like that. Also for your business, small business, and also workers' comp. We're really competitive in workers' comp, and I know that
workers' comp has really gone through the roof for a lot of businesses. I was talking to a good friend of mine who owns a landscape company, and he says the workers' comp has really gone up dramatically. And certainly something to get additional quotes on from a reputable company. And Farmers has been around a long time. And tell me more, why Farmers?
Well, Farmers, we've been around since 1928. We're the third largest insurer of homes and automobiles in the United States. And we're in a position that we can offer a really wide range of products and services.
So you're a well-known brand that stands behind your product.
Absolutely.
Which is important when it comes to insurance, especially when it comes to big losses. In a centralized area such as an earthquake, which is a matter of time before we have a small little earthquake, so make sure you button down your house real well.
Absolutely.
But certainly a big company that's going to stand behind their product and their work.
Yeah, we can pay our claims, basically. You know? Yeah.
Exactly, and you back your product.
Right.
Let's talk about some money-saving tips on insurance.
Okay, well, let's see. There's a lot of families in Santa Clarita Valley, and I know that when they have the children become teenagers, and that's a huge expense. And how you can save on that is Farmers offers what's called a YES program. It's a DVD. You watch it, you take a test, you get a discount there. If you're a good student, you get a discount.
And we're talking about student drivers, right?
Student drivers.
I have two of them and three, soon to be three.
Right.
So,
wow,
yes.
yeah. And another way is to get them an older car, at least 10 years old. The car should be at least 10 years old. You can save money that way.
And the amazing thing is the cars are built now, and they have a lot of electronics in them for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, my son has a 10-year-old Acura. It's really nice, but it was less expensive, and it really helped with the insurance.
Absolutely.
Because my wife and I drive cars that are within 4 years, which is more expensive. And if that's the only car they have to drive, then it becomes more expensive.
Right. Absolutely. So, yeah, try and get them an older car if you are going to get them a car.
Review the DVD so you can get a discount and older car.
Yep, absolutely. And then that's just for teens. I mean, there's other ways you can save senior citizens. We have a program for senior citizens. It's a defensive driving course. It's the same thing. You watch a DVD, you take a test, you save a little bit of money if you're a good, safe driver. Other thing, basically you want to remain claim-free. And in order not to have claims, another way to remain claim-free is to raise your deductible. A lot of people are scared of that $1,000 deductible. It's actually a good way to go. You're saving money out of your pocket every year that can go towards that deductible, or you're less likely to make a claim for $250 or $500. And that way, over time, you're going to be saving money.
You're going to be saving money because your premiums will not go up.
Your premiums won't go up, and your premium will be lower to begin with because you've got a higher deductible.
Right.
Yeah.
And a lot of things you'll pick up from professionals such as Paula is just tips on how to, if you will, be more safe so that you don't have a claim. We had a dog that got out. That's a tip. Hey,
exactly.
Be careful with your dog because if your dog gets out and gets hit by a car, it's usually their fault because there's leash laws.
Right.
So there's all kinds of tips.
And
you
then
can
not
give.
only do you maybe have a liability situation, you also have, the damage to the vehicle if your dog gets out. Or if your
Exactly,
dog
and the
gets out
damage
and
your
bites
dog.
somebody. Yeah, damage
so
to your dog.
Absolutely. So there's all kinds of things, and it's all about being proactive instead of reactive. And if you can do that, then you can be in a good position.
Yeah, in your home as well. That's a good. A lot of people don't think about this, but baby proofing. Even if you're a grandmother or a grandfather, and you have, or even if you trust your own kids not to get into things, if they have friends over, that's a liability right there.
Nieces
and like you
and
mentioned,
nephews.
yeah, right. Like you mentioned, dog, keeping your stairways free of clutter, keeping your pathways. If there is
Okay,
an
so I'm going to
emergency.
mention something about
Yeah.
that. Do not put a magazine on your
On your
stairs
stairs.
because you step on it and you'll slip. There's always stuff on our stairways, and we have pretty wide stairs, but I'm like, okay, you can put a few things on there, but do not put a magazine because especially with the glossy cover. So all these different things that you're going to find from a review with your professional, your insurance professional.
Yeah, we recommend that every year. Your insurance needs change, just like everything else, and not a lot of people want to review their insurance every year, but it's really imperative that you do, and it ends up saving you money in the long run, and it doesn't take that much time.
Well, Paul, thanks for coming in, and if you can share with those that are watching this online on video and on the air how they can reach you.
They can reach me. My direct line is 310-486-7772, and my email is P as in Paula Davidson at farmersagent.com, and my website is www.farmersagent.com/P Davidson.
Perfect. And you are local?
I am
Even though
local.
you have a 310
I have a 310 number, yes,
I have
but
an
I am
818,
local.
so yes.
I'm local in Santa Clarita Valley. I've lived here for over 10 years, and I'm eager to help everybody in the Santa Clarita Valley get insurance.
Dynamite, thanks so much.
thank you.
I hope you appreciated Paula Davidson from Farmers Insurance Group coming in and talking to us about insurance. Well, I hope you enjoyed this segment of the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight on AM 1220 KHTS.